This is Alessandra from Paper Art Alessandra, and this is my Graphics Fairy Junk Journal design team project for fall and winter. And almost all of the images and the pages and the images are from the Graphics Fairy premium website, and it's called Dream. And for the cover, I used an antique book cover, and the inside was not in a good shape, but the cover was great. So I like the texture, and it was green, so I added all of this blue and gold, and I made another spine, and this is the back. So here inside I had this paper, and I added some gold and white, and I think it matches with all the images inside. And here for the first page I made 2 pockets, and this image, I love it, so beautiful. It's from the Luna, the Magic Queen. And so on this first pocket there is this card, and I made with this moon, and then you open, there's this little girl that I added some butterfly wings, and you can remove it. There's a sticker, and you can remove it, and you can actually write in the back. And also another pocket here with this image, and in the back there's this image of the moon, and you can also remove it and write it. And then here there's this beautiful journaling card that I created, and I added some lace, and here I created this image, and I love this little girl, and I added some beads here, and then here I made a pocket and with this card, and here is a pocket window that I created, and you can add your picture if you want here, or write or anything. So in the back there is this card and this tuck spot, and then here it's a pocket and this card, and here this beautiful journaling card that I created. I love this image, and I added some gold here and design, and some lace. And here I printed this page on a vellum paper, so it's transparent. And here is this image of this girl that I added butterfly wings, and I glue it on a string, and I glue it in the center of those 2 pages together, so you can move it. And if you don't want it, you can glue it or add a sticker in the back. And here there is a pocket, and here it's a journaling card and this tuck spot that I created. And here there is this flip, and you can write here and write here, and inside there is this card, and there's a little bottle bottle here, and you can write it. And here I created like a top pocket, and there's this butterfly and this little card, and here it's a pocket and a journaling card that I created with this beautiful image. It's a fairy, and I added a tiny star on the top and here. And here the center page, it's so beautiful. So there was this family tree, and I opened and I made little windows, and inside of each window there is an animal, and all of the images are from the Graphics Fairy website. So all of those animals, and I added some butterfly here, and then here there is this card, this little boy, and there's another pocket here, and charm, and this lovely card that I created with this image, so beautiful. And I added this texture paper and some beautiful trim. And here it's a card that matches this page, and here it's one of the images that I cut it and I made it into like a flip or opening and closing place. And here it's a card, and I made it's a pocket, and I made this little card. It's a bottle. And here it's another one of the images, and this is the moon, and I added the string, and it also moves. And here's the other side of the vellum paper, and here's a small card, and a lace pocket, and all of those beautiful trims. They're beautiful, golden. And here it's a flip and a pocket from the Vampires kit, and this image. And there's also the beautiful background image here. And here is a card, and you can use it as a bookmark if you want. And this is a little pocket, and this is a butterfly, and you can also remove it and write it in the back of it. And here it's a flip, and you can write here in the back and here. And here is this beautiful moon card, and I added some gold. And this is another card. Here it's a little boy, I think, and I think it's a boy. And there's the moon, and I also added some beads. There's a star, and the other one there's a moon. And here it's a top pocket that I created, and there's this bottle card, and you can write it in the back. Here I created this image, and I created on my computer. I just printed this way, and I added this telescope, and I added some vintage tape. And here it's another butterfly. This one you can't remove it, but I left the wings, and you can open and close. here, and this is a pocket, and there's this hand image. It's a card, and here you open this way up, and here there's a card that I created, and here another card. This one's so pretty, I love her. And there's this texture paper, and here it's a image that I added with this background, and you open, and here it's a pocket with a little poison card, and here I created a little tuck spot, and this is a card, and I painted on top with watercolors. I think it's so beautiful. And here it's another tuck spot, and I have this image, and here it's an owl, and there's this card, and here it's a balloon, and you can move it. Also there's the same kind of sticker, and here it's a little bottle, and I created this pocket, and there's this image of a hand, and you can write it in the back. And here in the center, there's this image and of this girl and this man, and I added butterfly wings, and this is the sticker again, and you can move it, or if you don't want it, you can glue it. And here there is a pocket, and this image, you can move it and write something here or glue something, and it's kind of hidden with this image. And here I created this pocket with this beautiful image, and there's a tiny envelope with a small card inside, and same thing here, it's a small card with envelope with a card, and there is this little tuck spot, and there's a flip, and here is another flip, and this small card, and here I created this tuck spot or pocket, and I added this image from the graphics fairy, and I added in a blue background, and I glue it on this label, I guess, and or tag, and I added here some gold, and I glue it here. On this page I created another flip, and there's the moon here, and here on this page I have this small card, and there's this pocket, and it's an image from a castle, and here it's this witch's dream book image, and you can write in the back, and also there's a small pocket here with this clock, and this beautiful page, and here it's a flip, and here it's a wax seal. And here I love this image, so I created my computer and then I printed. There's this girl image from the Graphics Fairy website, and I added this frame also from the website, and I created this card, and I added some vintage wallpaper. And here it's a butterfly that I glued, and I left the wings open. And here's the last page. I created this card. It's an owl, and I added here a piece of fabric, and I glued the owl on top of this card from the Graphics Fairy. So this is the back. So this is my dream journal. I think it matches the theme, like Halloween, something different, and I love it. So beautiful. I love all the images, all the cards. They're all so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.